Gusty conditions are continuing into our Tuesday. There's a wind advisory still in place for Maui County and the Big Island. Could potentially see gusts up to 50 miles per hour. But for the rest of the state, we're seeing 15 to 25, maybe even 30 mile per hour winds, bringing some trade showers over the islands and keeping a small craft advisory in place for all the state's coastal waters through tomorrow. Surf is elevated on the north and east facing shores due to that choppy wind swell, 3 to 5 bump for the west and a minimal 1 to 3 bump for our south shores.